Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I made over $300 on LUNO exchange. Alright, so if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe at the end of the video. Alright, so LUNO exchange is offering a referral program where you refer someone and you're going to make a $10 worth of Bitcoin. Okay, if you're in Nigeria, you're going to make 16,300, which is equivalent to $10. Alright, so this promo is strictly for a new account. Okay, so if you have an old account on LUNO, you can share your referral link and for someone to sign up. Once the person sign up, you're going to make $10 worth of Bitcoin and the person is going to make same $10 worth of Bitcoin. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into my screen so you can see things together. The first thing you're going to do is to go to your Play Store and download LUNO. When you click on LUNO on your Play Store, you're gonna see LUNO and Octa. A lot of people have been making this mistake to click on Octa. Octa is quite different from LUNO. Okay, Octa is a different exchange wallet on its own. So click on LUNO. I already have the app in my phone, so I'm going to click on Open. For those of you that are joining LUNO for the first time, you'll click on the Install. Okay, so when you click on install, after installing the app, you're going to see this interface: home, explore, wallet, reward and profile. In this home aspect, you're going to see create account or sign up. You don't have an account, so you're going to click on create an account. After creating your account, you come over to this profile, go to settings. When you go to settings, you verify your account, you put in your phone number. When you get to settings, you put in your phone number, your country of residence, your verification. You're going to use your NIN. Okay, use your NIN for your verification. After doing that, you go down to reward. You can see over here, refer and earn 16,300. Refer a friend, and please, whenever you are referring or if you're signing up, please use my referral code. If you use my referral code, you're going to get $10 worth of Bitcoin, which is equivalent to 16,300. okay, if you're in Nigeria. But if you're not in Nigeria, you're going to get $10 worth of Bitcoin if you use my referral code. Okay, and over here, reward level. For those of you that will be joining with my referral code, you're not up to a month or you're not up to a year with the app. So if you want to refer somebody with your own referral code, you're going to make 3,200 naira, which is $2. Okay, if you're referring someone for a new account that you just created, you're going to make 3,200, which is $2, right? That is for level 1. Then for level 2, if you have used the app for more than a year or more than 6 months, more than 5 months, you'll be eligible to refer someone, and once you refer the person, you're going to make 8,100 if you're in Nigeria. And if you're not in Nigeria, you'll be making approximately $5. In Nigeria, that $5 is 8,100, okay, equivalent to that. So that is it. But if you have used the LUNO app for more than a year, for more than 2 years, and you've been doing transactions with it, you're going to earn more than $5. You're going to earn $10, which is 16,300 for those of you that are in Nigeria and you're using my referral code. If you're in Nigeria and you're using my referral code, you're going to earn 16,300. And if you're not in Nigeria, you're going to earn $10 worth of Bitcoin. Okay, so that is it. Please don't forget to use my referral code. During my previous claiming, I forgot to take a screen recording of the process. Okay, so right now I have some claims which are being processed, because when you after referring, it will be pending. All right, it will be pending depending on when it is being approved. Once the process is being approved, over here that is showing pending, it will show claim, and once it is claimed, it will be reflected in your balance. Okay, the previous ones that I claimed, I already sent it out to my BYBIT, because from LUNO I send it to BYBIT, then I sell it out. Okay, so that is it. Just imagine you have an old account, you've been using LUNO for the past 5 years, and you're able to refer 10 to 15 people. So I want you to do the maths. 16,300 multiplied by 15 or multiplied by 20 people using your referral code. Do you know how much you'll make? Or you multiply $10 times 20 people. Do you know how much you'll make? Okay, so that is it. People are cashing out from LUNO. So why this promo, why this update is still on, make sure you jump on it before it will be too late. Don't jump on it when the referral project, the referral contest is already off. Don't, make sure you maximize it now. Okay, so if you find this video educating, and if you find this video useful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, share, and above all, use my referral code if you want to get the $10 worth of BTC. Make sure you use my referral code. Alright, I've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for liking, and thanks for subscribing. See you in the next video. Peace out.